Good day, students. Today we are going to do writing section. Under writing section, we shall do article writing. Article writing has a word limit of 150 words to 175 words. Total marks assigned to it by CBSE are 10 marks. These 10 marks are further divided in 3 parts. 1 mark is given to format writing. 4 marks are given for content and 5 marks are given for expression. Now I am going to tell you the objectives of article writing. It has mainly 3 objectives. First, to spread awareness among people. Second, to give knowledge to the people, common men. And third, to express your views on some issue. Issue can be of national importance, it can be of social importance, international importance. For example, we can see the international topic coronavirus, a great pandemic in the world. Now I am going to write you format of the article writing. Format is of 1 mark. Half mark is given beta for title and half mark is given for name or contributed by only. In this way 1 mark is given to title writing, format writing. Now I am going to tell you about content of the article writing. It includes mainly 5 things. First is introduction of the topic. You have to give an introduction of the topic. Then you have to explain the reason and effects by this problem, by this topic, by this issue. Then you will give some merits and demerits. Here one thing is important. It is not important that every topic should be having merits and demerits. For example, if you are writing about the mobile phone, it has merits as well as demerits. But consider if we are writing about pollution, we can understand that pollution does not have any merit, it has only demerits only. So you have to be extra cautious about this thing, you have to be wise about choosing your topic. Then you have to give some suggestion, you have to give some solutions, you have to give some remedial steps how this problem can be erased, how this problem can be removed from the scenario. And in the last, in 2 or 3 lines, you will give a conclusion to the topic. In this way we will be able to write the article writing. Then last thing is expression. Expression, which is of 5 marks, it is further divided into 2 parts. Grammatical errors, which include spelling, etc. It includes punctuation marks, comma, full stop, etc. Sentence formation and other grammatical errors. And second part includes coherence, the fluency of your topic. Your things should be related to each and everything. If you are writing about Deepavali, you should not give an example from Holi. If you do this thing, you are a stray person and that will be breaking of the coherence and the marks will be deducted for that thing beta. So now the topic is over. I hope you are able to understand it. Still if their problem is there, please call me on my WhatsApp number or you can make a simple call also to me. Thank you beta. Have a good day.